Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious spaghetti with a lemon and Parmesan sauce. Super simple recipe and really easy to make. All right, first step, we're going to start boiling some water and we're going to add a generous amount of salt. I was always told you want to add enough salt that it tastes like the seawater, so don't be shy with it. All right, now I'm adding the spaghetti and cooking until it's al dente, which should take 3 to 4 minutes for me. All right, now while the spaghetti is cooking, I'm just going to grate some Parmesan, and I want about 100 grams. All right, now I'm going to juice 3 lemons, but before I do that, I'm just going to zest 1 lemon and set it aside. If you happen to have an electric juicer, I would definitely use that. All right, now we have everything we need for the sauce. So in a bowl, I'm just going to add the lemon juice with 100 milliliters of olive oil. I'm just going to briefly mix that together, and then we're going to start adding in the grated Parmesan. I love this recipe just because it's so easy, but it really has like an amazing flavor. And the Parmesan, once you add it with the spaghetti, it's going to start melting and just coating perfectly. And it's super, super easy, but I'm telling you, it's really good, guys. I added about half the Parmesan at a time. I'm just adding the last half now. As you can kind of notice, the sauce has gotten a bit thicker with the Parmesan. You can set aside some of the water you cook the spaghetti in, and you could add, a tablespoon or two if you want to just loosen the sauce a little bit. All right, sauce is looking great. Now I'm just going to pick about a handful of leaves of the basil. This is an optional step. You can just buy some from the store as well. All right, I just drained the spaghetti. I'm going to add it back into the pot, and then I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to give it just a really good shake around just so it's like evenly coating the spaghetti, but you can just use a wooden spoon too. All right, now that is done, I'm just going to quickly slice up some basil. And then once that's done, what I'm going to do is just add the basil and the lemon zest. It's the last thing I'm adding to the sauce. And then I'm just going to stir everything around one last time. Instead of slicing the basil, you could also just rip some up with your hands if you wanted, and it would still look really nice. Last step, we're just going to toss in that basil. We're also going to add the lemon zest that we set aside earlier. Give it one good last stir around, and then we can plate it up. And there we have it, some beautiful spaghetti. Also, remember to season it with some salt and black pepper. But remember, you already have a fair amount of Parmesan, so it should be a little bit salty from that. All right, now it's plated up. I'm just going to add some small pieces of basil on it. This is completely optional, but I think it looks nice. All right, guys, I'm just going to give this a quick taste and see how it is. Super good. Lemon is super refreshing. Parmesan tastes great. It's a super easy recipe, guys, but it tastes really good. Let me know if anyone gives it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.